All right. How do I begin this one, huh? How about this? Customer says, why is my trailer harness $50 when he can get one for $8 on Amazon? Well, I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to actually show you. His wiring harness is on. This is what I took off. Here's his old harness. Copper. This is old harness. Here's his new harness. Oh. Okay. Let's double it up. Make it a little thicker. This is the harness he got off of Amazon. It's zinc. It's not copper. So, if you think $50 is too much for copper wire, and you rather pay $8 for zinc, go right ahead. I'll charge you the same amount next year.